Good morning. What day is today? It is February 7th here on Mount Tamalpais at Mountain Home Inn. Going to take on the three peaks of Mount Tam. Foggy start to the day, 50 degrees, but looks like there's a little bit of blue sky. Gonna hike with some colleagues, Ken and Susie, and some Troop 15 folks. And we're going up. Marin County, there's a little ray of sunshine there. There's Miss Susie, yep. Okay. Mr. Chin. We are here, and we're gonna do the three peaks. So, West Peak, Middle Peak, East Peak.
I can relate to that.
Gorgeous morning. See if we can spot Diablo. Taking a little break at the West Point Inn. This is where the old railway went. There's East Peak, Middle Peak is over there, and West Peak is behind that. Just looking around, that's towards the Pacific. There's the fine scouters from Troop 15. And let's see if we can see the home of the Burma Blast, Mount Diablo. Oh, there it is, yeah. Yep. There's Mount Diablo. Looking good. We got us a banana slug.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big one.
Daniel was the one who spotted all the
Good spot,
slugs.
Daniel. Looking at this tree, and just look at the woodpecker holes. And we did see a woodpecker on the tree to the right. So, hiking with the scouts, definitely different than hiking by yourself. But in a way, the slow pace, probably good for me. Just got to get the miles in. Maybe it'll be 12 miles today. Made it to Mountain Theater, built in the 30s. This thing will last forever. Making our way up to West Peak. Looking back, we're in the headlands. You can make out there's Sutro Tower, so the city by the bay is ensconced with fog. And there's Mirror Beach down there. I went down there last Saturday. So still a couple hundred feet to go to get to the West Peak. Department of Transportation, FAA, Mill Valley, AF, SFO, JSS, United States Air Force. So this is the home of the golf ball. There's the golf ball right there. Yep. There we got Mount St. Helena, the high point of Sonoma County. I've been to the summit of that a couple times. It's kind of underwhelming, lots of antennas. Okay, we are at the summit of Middle Peak, looking over City by the Bay. And there's West Peak. First time I was up there was February 1997. And of course, great view of Mount Diablo. Okay, lunchtime, got the sit pad and the master himself. Mr. C has the sit pad. Don't leave home without it. Doing a pano, and that's Mount St. Helena. There's San Pablo Bay, West Peak, Mount Diablo, Richardson Bay, Sausalito, City by the Bay, Marin Headlands, Sutro Tower, and then that's Montera Peak. Did that last week. Really, that down there is Mirror Beach. Okay, let's go to the last peak. And we're at the high point of Marin County, East Peak. Looking around, Middle Peak, West Peak, gorgeous. All right, some epic views going on here. First time I was here, February 1997, with the Two Bear. Okay, that's a Hamilton wetland restoration project there. Took a runway, turned into a wetland. Used to be Hamilton Army Airfield, and lore is that when the atomic bomb was being transported, they stopped there for a hot second. And we're going down. I love these manzanita bushes with the purple bark. Looks like the fog is rolling back into the city, but it's got to be 75 degrees right now. Winter conditions in Marin County.
These are planted too, right?
Now these have got to be old growth right here. Yeah, old growth redwoods. Always good to stop at trail intersections. The Hoo-Coo-Coo Trail.
Hoo-Coo-Coo. I've got a bike named after that.
Yeah, Gary Fisher.
Gary Fisher, Hoo-Coo-Coo.
Yeah. All right. Almost to Mountain Home. So summary, started at Mountain Home here, up Hogback to the old railroad grade, Matt Davis, to West Point Inn, stayed on Old Stage Road, to Bootjack to Mountain Theater, up Ridgecrest Boulevard, past West Peak, went up to Middle Peak, back down, to the Fire Lookout, came down Upper Fern, got on the road down here, back here, Mountain Home. Great day. Finishing up 3 peaks on Mount Tam. There's Mr. Chin. There's Miss Susie. Great hike with Troop 15, 4 scouts, a few other adults. Just under 11 miles, about 6.5 hours, perfect conditions. More to follow. Mile marker signing out.